I want you to remember one word. It sounds like dish, but instead of the I, you have an E, D.E.S.H. As we do foam patterns, keep that in mind. Everything that we have before each letter is variety of, variety of. You'll see when I'm talking with the brush. Foam patterns, D for direction. I'm coming up this way on this wave. E for the endings, and that refers to the ones at top. Some are straight, some are bent a little bit. S is size. Some of them are larger, some are smaller. Then H is some go high and some don't. So therefore, think of D.E.S.H as you evaluate whether your foam patterns are good or not. I'll do a couple more over the side, and then I want to say one other thing about it. Here we go. Those, you don't go very high with them, but you can see the variety in height. A little bit, maybe one over here, just a little lower. Now here's the other aspect of this. You need to have a little variety of values. So as they go, as they're down low, they'll have some highlights on them. And of course, the wave would be making it so you can't see lights up inside. They have to have different values. So if you remember D.E.S.H, D.E.S.H, and then you go ahead and decorate them. What's kind of cute when you do some up in the middle of the eye, let's go just a little darker, because why? Because it's a silhouette. The light's coming through and making those. So if you do that, you're going to have great success with your oceans. D.E.S.H, variety of heights, sizes. Direction is not a variety of that. They're all needing to feel like they're flowing on that particular wave. So there you are. There's foam patterns. Best of luck with yours. See you.
Funded by the Minnesota Arts and Cultural Heritage Fund, with money from the vote of the people of Minnesota on November 4, 2008. And by the members of Prairie Public.